Hey people, today back from Amed again, and we have some plans, little plans, nothing really serious. We try to not bother anyone. Restrictions are lowered at the moment. We are not at the level 4 anymore, that's the level 3, and the Karangasem is under this restriction. So basically we can carefully go and do some diving without bothering anyone. So that's our plan. And we're gonna do Bunutan. We'll go a little bit deeper. We'll do kind of technical dive. Our decompression will be based on a bottom gas. So basically we will do decompression based on air. We are not going to use nitrox, just because simply today it's really long surface swim, and to swim out with the 3 tanks it's like a little bit too lazy after yesterday's hiking and other stuff. So that's why today simply going down to some 40 meters, spending there around 20 minutes. And since we have to swim a lot of time at 6-meter depth, so it's absolutely fine to do decompression based on normal air or nitrox 21. We'll see how the thing's going. I guess there can be some currents because it's after this full moon, couple of days already. Not really strong currents at the moment yet. But this bottom time, that will give us a little bit more to discover and explore the deeper part of the Bunutan reef, which is absolutely amazing, as you saw already from the previous episode. Okay, let's go there and check out what's going on there. So finally we ended up this dive as a mission because we found the net at the depth between 38 and 30 meters. I started to take it out. Anna wanted to help me, but I asked her to stay on her side just because she has no any experience with all these things, and I was really worried that because in some point she was in the middle of the net and taking off, and when the current blowed she almost got entangled in it. I got entangled a couple of times. It's just good that this net is not really like it's pretty fragile and you can just pull it and you get out. My camera get entangled in it, my torch get entangled in it, my fin got the same stuff, so have to be really careful. Many small reef fishes died. I managed to get out some couple of small trigger fishes and couple of butterflies, but there was many small fishes already dead. The plan is that we will go back and we'll get it out. So I prepared all this net. It was like the net length was about around 150 meters. That's like a standard net what they have here. It's between 100 and 150 meters. So that was really long. And yeah, so they tried to pull it out, and finally one big barrel coral was pulled out and it was already dead. When I tried to get it out, I also damaged a couple of corals, but nothing you can do with that because you cannot cut it. If even you're trying to cut, then there is a current at that depth and you cannot do anything with that. You have to manage how to get this net off the reef in a conditions of current. Next time there is a big chance I will get it out. I have to take a lift bag. Would be nice to have a boat, but at the moment boats are not possible because all these restrictions. So that's why we will try to get it out on the beach. And I don't know, I will just put it on a beach someplace. Maybe we will just burn it somehow. What else to add? That's mostly all the mission for today. Thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again.